I actually used to get like slightly harassed online about how bad my unboxing is. They're like, why is it so chaotic? I'm like, have you ever tried to hold a camera and take things out with one hand? I'm not even holding a camera and I'm doing a terrible job at it. Hi, I'm Billie. I have done a Sephora haul of new and exciting things that are now in store, so I'm going to take you through them. Let's start with this one because it's so chunky and so big. This is the new Sol de Janeiro Body Badalada Vitamin Infused Lotion. I'm nervous. I feel like that's just going to go. Okay, there we go. So this is just a lightweight daily lotion. Oh my God, it smells so good. How do they do it every time? It smells delicious, like summer holiday in a bottle, but that is so great. It just sort of glides straight into your skin. If you want like hydrating body lotion but doesn't feel like sticky or thick or like you've got too much product on, that is definitely one to add to your Sephora haul. I need hardcore setting spray in the summer. This is the One Size setting spray, which is famous because Beyonce used this one on her Cowboy Carter tour, and this one is now waterproof, so let's give it a go. I do feel like that actually just stuck my makeup to my face. This would be such a good test if you could jump in and out the pool with this setting spray on and see if your makeup stays intact. Colour Wow Dream Coat. This is Chef's Kiss. My biggest recommendation with this is go big. Like, you need to douse your hair in this product before putting heat on. It grips the hair follicles so that it basically doesn't allow frizz to come within your hair vicinity once you've added heat. It is a miracle worker in the summer, so perfect little travel size dream coat Colour Wow to take with you on holiday. This has really caught my attention because how cute is this Glossier Balm.com keyring for the new banana pudding Balm.com. So this is inspired by the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding, and Glossier are always so good at this, aren't they? Like kind of getting those viral moments. Let's see if this tastes or smells like banana pudding. Oh my God, yeah, of course it does. It smells like cake. Oh, that is delicious. If you're a Balm.com fan, you just need to add this to your collection, don't you? Because is there anything cuter than bananas on a keyring? Speaking of lips, I've been wanting to try this Laneige. It's called Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum, and it's in this quite like easy to wear nudie pink. So let me just show you on here. It's quite pigmented for like a kind of hydrating serumy lip product, but I mean, I've already got a lot of product on now, but I kind of can't help myself because that is like dream pinky brown. I think if you're already a Laneige fan, like if you've already tried the Sleep Mask, which is an OG iconic product, should be on every bedside table, I think that you're going to be a fan of this too because it also actually tastes delicious. Not that I think that you should eat your lip product, but maple glaze, I feel glazed in a mapley way. This is a brand that's new to me and is part of like the Korean beauty haul that they've got at Sephora, and it's called Beauty by Josian, and it is an SPF. It uses rice and probiotics, so it's very good for sensitive skin or sensitized skin, and it leaves like no white cast or any kind of residue on the skin. So if you're kind of wanting to dip your toe into those Korean beauty products but don't really know where to start, I really suggest this as a kickoff point. Can you see how that, because it's a chemical-based product, it just doesn't leave any sign that it's been on your skin except for 2020 sun protection. Oh, okay. Who doesn't love a Makeup by Mario box? And these are Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer All Over Warming Complexion, which sounds a lot like bronzer to me. This is in shade Dark Deep and this is shade Light. Neither of these are quite my shade, but you can go in super soft or you can load it up into a really kind of contoured look. I really love a cream product. Like, even though I have oily skin and I think maybe that's something to avoid, I do believe that actually cream works really, really well with oily skin because you can build and you can take away. And then if you want to, you can set on top of that with bronzing powder and powder blush. Giorgio Armani Eye Tint Shimmer in shade Blush. Oh wow. And this you just load up onto your eyelids. What I love about these is how easy it is, and I would even just use the tip and trace underneath my lash line just to sort of bring that entire metallic eye look together. I would try that now, but it's high risk for me to put this on without a mirror. We have got Vieve Skin Nova moisturizing rich primer. I love Vieve skin products. Jamie Genevieve really knows how to make your complexion work. I use the foundation constantly. I use Skin Nova constantly as a highlighter, as a primer. And this is kind of like a hybrid combination of all of them. A bit of a foundation, a bit of a glow, a bit of primer. So this is like a face base, basically. You use it as a primer. But if you wanted just a really lightweight coverage, you could also just use it as a foundation too. But what I love about Jamie's products is that they blend so easily. It doesn't matter whether you're using a small or a big amount, you can find a way to really buff it into the skin. So shout out Super Skin Nova, shout out Jamie Genevieve, she's really doing bits for us. Last is, well, it was a confidential top secret product, but it is now available. It is the Rare Beauty perfume. So let's give this a spritz. Oh, that is so nice. It's quite rich actually for a perfume. It's quite sweet, but not like saccharine sweet. There's kind of some sort of floral layering to it. It's definitely more of an evening scent, but it has like a really lovely summery feel to it. Slightly oudy, a little bit sweet, a little bit floral, quite universally likable. And lucky for you, no longer confidential or top secret. I think that's it for our Sephora haul. I'm gonna go and actually now paint my face with all of these products and try and attempt to do it better than I have just painted my hair.